Use generator in TensorFlow/Keras to fit when the model gets two inputs. I want to train a model that uses an extra output layer to compute the loss arc face, so the model gets two inputs, the features and the true label, X, Y. So far I did with the all data loaded at once by the following code. Now, this was done with debugging data, which is small, 100 samples. The real training data is very large, 300 GB of files, so I can't load all the data at once. Therefore I need to use a generator. In TensorFlow 2.8 a generator is implemented by inheriting from Keras sequence class. The following generator is based on the example in this URL. The most important part is with all, or most, of the options I tried as the output which the generator returns. The new fit is with option 1 I get the following error. The other options don't work as well. Most return the same error as above. So what am I doing wrong? So how to make my generator return correctly the tensor needed for training, features X and their labels Y on batch size B? The following link may be relevant, this URL. Note that I am running TensorFlow 2.8 on Python 3.9.5 on a laptop with Windows 10 and without poo. The real training on the full dataset will take place on a much stronger machine. This laptop is used only for debugging. Solution. The following solves the problem, and now the training is running when I comment out validation monitoring and callbacks. How do I use the generator for validation data? I created another generator, identical to the train generator, and put it in validation data, and the training procedure was completed successfully, without throwing an exception. It seems this is the solution to the problem.
The correct modification is
Say more.